From sunshine bright to snowy nights, we got your forecast done just right. For Santa Fe skies, we're the place to be. Join the weather group on Facebook, it's free. Santa Fe weather, local and true, made just for you, not Albuquerque's view. Your forecast, your town, your day.
Hi everyone, this is Jay Fott with Santa Fe Weather. Today I'm going to give you an El Nino update and talk about the impacts that El Nino will have on our upcoming winter weather. I know we're just beginning the summer months here in Santa Fe, but people are already asking, if we have a strong El Nino, how much snow are we going to get this winter? So we'll talk about that. So first of all, let's talk about El Nino and a reminder of what that is. El Nino is the warming of the Pacific waters, and breaking news just this week, as of June 11th, we are officially in El Nino. It has begun, but it will continue to warm. We are not done yet. Over the next several months, the Pacific waters will continue to warm, and NOAA is now saying that we have a 63% chance that we will have a very strong El Nino by the time winter arrives. So what does that mean for our winter weather forecast? So let's talk about that. So what I did was I went back and looked at all the El Ninos since 1952, and I looked specifically at the impacts that they had in Los Alamos. The reason we're looking at snowfall accumulations in Los Alamos is because in Santa Fe, there was 40 years of missing weather data. So between 1958 and 1998, there was not any highs, lows, or snowfall accumulation or precipitation recorded officially in Santa Fe. So in Los Alamos, we have consistent records going all the way back to 1910. So that's why I looked at Los Alamos. By the end of this video, we'll also kind of extrapolate what that means for our forecast here in Santa Fe, though. There was actually 22 El Ninos since 1952, and 59%, or about 13 of those El Ninos, were above normal snowfall in Los Alamos. So likely we had above normal snowfall in Santa Fe as well. Normal snowfall in Los Alamos is 42 inches. In Santa Fe, normal snowfall is about 22 inches. So looking back at each of those El Nino years, and you can see on this chart basically how much snow fell in each of those years in Los Alamos. Look at that. In 1986-87, there was 153 inches of snow that was recorded in Los Alamos. So that is the most snow ever recorded in a single winter season in Los Alamos. But also in the strong El Nino year of 1957-58, there was also more than 120 inches of snow. So it is more likely that you will have above normal snowfall when you have a strong or very strong El Nino. Taking a look at this graph here, you can see even in the weak El Ninos, the average snowfall was a little bit above normal, but it becomes more likely as you get into the strong and very strong El Ninos to have more snow than normal. So what does that mean for total accumulations during a winter weather season? Now this for Los Alamos and Santa Fe. In Los Alamos, this is we'll probably get between 45 and 75 inches of snow, just looking at statistics. This is not looking at weather models and weather patterns that we are currently seeing. So this is just looking at statistics only. History shows that we'll be probably between 45 and 75 inches of snow. So the average of that amount is about 59.2 inches of snow. Now in Santa Fe, looking at that same range, in Santa Fe of above normal snowfall, we'll probably get between anywhere from 24 to 40 inches of snow in Santa Fe. Normal snow is 22 inches. Last winter, we only got 6 inches of snow. So this next winter could be a doozy if you compare it to this previous winter. And again, this is only looking at statistics, not any kind of weather models at this point. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, and also our website is santafewx.com.